Hi folks, today we're at the Dubai Motorbike Festival, but it's a combined festival with motorbikes and bicycles. So let's go inside, walk around, take some pictures and see what they have here. Follow me. Yeah, we just walked around the bicycle displays and had some really cool bikes, one of which is made out of all bamboo. So have a look at it here. Hi guys, I'm here with Adnan from Orlando Motorcycle Accessories in Corfacon. Stop by the shop, check out everything they have. They got great prices. Even says you'll give you a discount.
Yes.
Tell him Bad Monkey sent you.
Yes.
Well, all in all, I have to say it was a pretty disappointing show. Really not a lot to see. Very small section for motorcycles. There's some adventure items such as camping trailers and jeeps and razor type quads and so forth. And then, as I said, you had the bicycling section, also small, over here. and then a section for free diving. It was called One Breath. I wasn't sure what that meant until I got over there and saw, but it's a very small section for people who enjoy free diving. So that's about it. Is it worth the 40 dirhams that we had to pay to come? Probably not, but we got to go for a ride on our bikes this morning anyway. What can you say? Really hope that they start to promote these things and more people start to come, because it could be good. I think it just probably wasn't promoted well enough. Well, until next time, Gary with Bad Monkey Touring. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching. Until then, safe travels and ride safely. If you're like me and you're looking for things to do outside in the UAE, you can subscribe online to Outdoor UAE. I got 2 free mags at the show, but you can go online and sign up. You can also follow them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Check it out.